Okay, in this example, we are going to see how we can improve the user's experience with regards to two areas. First is going to be when I do a lookup I'm going to look up to contact as an example, what am I going to see? And improving that experience. So in this situation, I have a class, and the class is going to be taught by Justin Short. Well, right now I have two Justin Shorts in my contact list, and I really don't know which one to use. So the way I can deal with that is do something called search layouts. Now, search layouts help you in two areas. One is that lookup search, and the other is going to be recently viewed. So right now we're going to look at the lookup search. So let's say I want to see a phone number and a title. Now, email is special, and if you put email there, the lookup won't show you the email. So you can list it like in your compact layout, but in this search layout, I wouldn't do it. So let's see what we get. We're starting with name, mobile, and title. So now I want to, let's refresh. Now you see I have Justin and I have two different phone numbers. Maybe I can pick my phone number, maybe I can't. Notice though that the title isn't showing, even though I also had title listed. So in the lookup, it's only just in the drop down, it's only going to show me that first field. But if let's say I'm looking for Justin, and I say show me all the results, it will show me whatever fields, including the email address, whatever fields I have listed here, right? So maybe the title might be better for that drop down, so that I don't have to do another click. So yes, a user can click and they can see all that list, but is there a way for me to give them access to a field, that additional field that they could use? And in this situation, the answer is yes. So let me go back, and instead of having the mobile number first, let me have the title first, and hit save. So now I'm going to look for Justin, and notice I now see the title. So in this situation, I really want the instructor, the Justin who's the instructor, although the actor might make it really fun. I don't know whether Justin Short, the actor, could really provide the best information about business analysis. So we're going to select Justin, and that's going to relate to the correct contact record, and we're going to save it. So let's go look at this again. I was kind of clicking all over the place, so let's step back. When you have a record, and the record has a lookup field, so instructor looks up to contact, you're going to do a search. You can type in the person's full name or whatever you're relating to. You can put a full information in there to help with your search. You can type in a part of an information, like maybe short. And I can click the show all results and see my list and see a lot of information about it. So I have two ways to get to it. I can either just click on the all results and see a lot of information, or see, in this situation, a name and then a title. And just to review, what manages that is the search layouts for the object. So in this situation, the lookup is to contact, so we open contact, and we looked at the search layouts. You can be very picky about what a person could see based on their profile, but in this situation, we're just going to use our default. And just remember that the first two fields are going to be what you see, right? And in that drop down. And then any additional fields you can add that will show up in the final thing. So maybe we have a reports to field, an email field, and so forth. So we can do that. And we can look for Justin. Now notice I haven't put any in search, and this is showing me some recent contacts because I've been playing with this, but I'm going to actually start looking for Justin. And notice I'm getting reports to, which doesn't have any value in it right now, and then the email. So again, I can open that up for those results and see everything that I want to see. I can sort by relevance as well. So maybe the title is the most important, or who they report to, or any of the fields that's listed there. So just keep that in mind when you are designing and crafting your design. So the design may say provide the ability for the user to select the correct instructor. So that may be a high-level requirement in our analysis. Design says, okay, I'm going to have the name of the class. I'm going to have a lookup to contact for instructor. But as part of the crafting it in the Salesforce environment, you also want to be aware of what your default is for your search layouts.